young rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trick. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
What is up, guys? It's Jordan. Welcome break now, money, buddy. Cause I know my name is on the card. Since I can't change my name. My cousin changed it to Sonic card. I'm mad. So, boom, break down, break down. Okay, don't finish this. That's my new intro, though. That's from C, the Science Kid, Bad and Bullshit. Okay, we about to watch this video. They said Lil Uzi Vert sound like a ravioli. That's it.
Oh, not tonight, sweetie. You've had chef every night this week.
I love chef.
Hey, he do though. So, yeah. Okay, now this one I wanted to watch, really. Okay, I did one. Ooh, that's a lot though. $1,000,000. You will laugh. Try not to laugh. Okay, let's go.
It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Dang.
How's the fishing? Just wait, how did we bring it in?
Oh.
Say hi.
Okay. That was funny.
This is why Mom doesn't fucking love you!
Oh!
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh.
How they gonna do him like that? He missed. Good.
I gotta wait for the right one! And this is the one!
Oh! Okay, man. I know y'all can't see my face. I got a laptop and I'm finna get a video camera so y'all can see my face. So see if I'm laughing or not. But I'm not laughing. It's not something. I'm definitely not laughing like that. Let's see. This is bad. Don't do it. Oh. She hurt. Dope production. Yeek. Oh, he made it. Oh, I seen this one before.
Flash the camera, Phil. Flash the camera when they come by.
So, Guys, make sure you subscribe to Gang. Ooh. Oh. Who's SpongeBob?
Hello, class. My name is Mrs. Pop, and the only reason I say that is because I see we have a new student. Young man, why don't you stand up and introduce yourself?
Who is she talking to? Who is that?
You. She's the teacher.
Come on now, tell the class your name. Don't be nervous.
Hey man, why don't you shut up? Shut up talking to me. I don't even know you, man. You like a big brown buttery bagel, baby. Ugly ass lady. Get out my face, man.
We just want to know your name.
I don't give no fuck about none of that. I want to know why you look like an eclair. You look like an eclair. Get your partially peeled potato looking ass back. You look like a potato somebody started peeling and then just put back down. I don't want to peel the rest of that.
Great, another genius.
Oh, great. You built like a big ass O. You built like the letter O. You can't even hear shit. You ain't got no ears. You can't even hear them laughing at you, can it? Deaf ass. You ain't like you full of raspberry filling. Ugly ass lady. You like a Krispy Kreme donut.
Okay, well, that's me.
Krispy Kreme donut built in.
Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
No, man. I just want to roast y'all. A pack of talking Starbursts, ain't it? Pepto Bismol all the piss looking ass nigga. SpongeBob, get your pissed
So,
off.
YouTube.com. Just subscribe to Tut Weezy.
A slice of lemon.
Okay, Patrick, this is it.
So, subscribe to Tut Weezy. Go to his videos and subscribe to him. Shout out to my man, Tut Weezy. Okay, bye. See you. Gang, gang.